There are 4 different types of problems I want to look at. I want you to notice the difference between these 4 problems. The first problem has a plus sign between the 2 expressions. The second problem does not have a symbol or an addition or subtraction sign between the 2 expressions. That is showing multiplication. So the first problem is combining like terms. So we want to write this problem without the parentheses. And there's a plus between the 2 expressions. So if we distribute a plus sign, you guys, the signs don't change at all. So we just bring everything down. So we have 3x squared minus 2x plus 5 plus 6x squared plus 3x minus 8. Now we want to combine our terms that are the same. So we have a 3x squared and we have a positive 6x squared. And 3 plus 6 is 9x squared. Then we have a negative 2x and a positive 3. Negative 2 plus 3 is plus 1x. And then our plus 5 and minus 8 will give us a negative 3. This problem is solved. In problem number 2, it's multiplication. So this time we're going to distribute. And we're going to distribute the first term, 2x, so it's 2x plus 5 times x minus 4. So we're going to multiply 2x times x and write it down. As you draw the arrow, write it down. That will be 2x squared. X times x is x squared. Think about that. X times x equals x squared. Then we're going to multiply 2x times negative 4. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, and we have an x. Then we're going to go underneath. 5 times x is a positive 5x. And 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Now we combine our terms that are the same, combine like terms. The only 2 terms that are alike are the 2 in the middle. So we have 2x squared minus 3x minus 20. Our next problem is, see the symbol? There's a subtraction sign between there. It's 4x squared minus 6x plus 5 minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 8. We need to distribute that negative sign when we write this without parentheses. So 4x squared minus 6x plus 5 now we just change our signs. It's the opposite. It's negative 3x squared minus 2x plus 8. Every time we change those signs. Now we can combine our like terms. 4x squared minus 3x squared is just x squared, 1x squared. Negative 6x minus 2x is negative 8x. And plus 5 and plus 8 is plus 13. Our very last problem is now we've got a 4x plus 3 and the whole thing is squared. So when we rewrite this, we're going to write this as 4x plus 3 parentheses. Put that in parentheses and we're going to square it. So we're going to multiply it. Now we do our double distributing. 4x times 4x is 16x squared. 4x times 3 is 12x. 3 times 4x is 12x. Sorry, I'm running out of room. 3 times 3 is plus 9. So we end up with 16x squared. We can combine our 12x plus our 12x. This should be a 12x. I had a room there. Let me fix my mistake. Let me check that again. 4 times 3 is 12x. 3 times 4, yeah, that's plus 24x. Plus 9.